Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 7 latest defense updates. Number 1, AL-41FIS engine for Indian Su-30 Mk1 fighters. An update. Rosoboronexport, Russia's state-owned arms exporter, has expressed concerns regarding India's decision to exclude the AL-41F IS engine from its Su-30 Mk1 Super 30 upgrade program, planned for 80 odd aircraft. While speaking, Rosoboronexport officials argue that the AL-41F IS engine offers significant advantages over the existing power plants in the Indian Su-30 Mki fleet. The AL-41F IS, also known as Article 117S, is a modern modular two-shaft turbofan engine featuring thrust vector control and integrated digital control. Next, EOI issued for private Indian firm to manufacture aircraft structural assemblies. The Aeronautical Development Agency, responsible for designing and developing India's cutting-edge combat aircraft program, has issued an expression of interest inviting Indian private firms to participate in the manufacturing of structural assemblies for various aircraft. The initiative is a significant step towards accelerating the production of indigenous combat aircraft, including the LCA-AF Mk2 Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft (AMCA) and twin-engine deck-based fighter, that is TED-BF, to meet the growing operational requirements of IAF and Navy. Next, Naval LCA Mki procurement. In a recent address of the LM Khatre Medical Memorial Talks, Samir V. Kamath, Secretary of the Department of Defense Research and Development and Chairman of the DRDO, emphasized the organization's commitment to bolstering the India's Navy capabilities through the proposed acquisition of 8 to 10 Naval LCA Mki project. These deck-based aircraft are designed for operational from aircraft carriers, marking a significant enhancement in the Navy's aerial capabilities. Next, Uttam Aisa radar, a game changer for fighter aircraft. At the IDEX 2024 Defense Exhibition, the DRDO showcased the Uttam Active Electronic Scanned Array radar, a key development in India's indigenously military capability. Designed with cutting-edge technology, the Uttam Aisa radar is set to revolutionize the operational capabilities of fighter aircraft in the Indian Air Force and other prospective platforms. Next, India's ambitious 5-fighter jet program. An update. India has embarked on a significant effort to modernize its air force through a series of ambitious fighter jet programs. These initiatives, funded by the Ministry of Defense, include the Tejas Mk1A, Tejas Mk2, AMCA, HLFT-42 and TED-BF. While these programs represent a substantial investment in indigenous defense capabilities, a critical challenge remains: the absence of a robust local engine program. Next, integration of Matsya 6000, India's first deep ocean submersible. A significant milestone in India's deep sea exploration was achieved today as the Ministry of Earth Sciences Secretary Dr. M. Ravichandran, along with Mission Director Dr. M. V. Ramamurthy, witnessed the integration of the indigenously developed deep ocean human scientific submersible Matsya 6000 at the National Institute of Ocean Technology. The next, 3 Armed Forces Services. An update. With the appointment of Air Marshal A.P. Singh as the next Chief of Air Staff, 2 course mates and 2 classmates will now be heading the 3 services, the Army, Navy and Air Force. With these appointments, all 3 forces, the Army, Navy and Air Force, would have seen change in leadership in the last 5 months. Next. Thank you.